everybody. I'm Zach, and this is Lighting Up Orchard. And I couldn't let Labor Day and the start of the burr months get started without doing something for the light show. And sorry, that's my tree topper. The star has a flag on the top, little flag. So I just wanted to kind of mess with some pixels yesterday and use some things that I had around the house and extra parts and make a couple of small props, and now it's turned into, I'm probably going to make 3 or 4 more of these. And so yeah, let me get down to show you what I used. So I used some PVC pipe, some extra strip I had, and I still have tons of it. And what I did is I overlapped them and zip tied them in the middle, if you can see that. And so just went every other hole. So it's 25 down, 25 up for just a 50 strand. And the bottom is PVC pipe, so stands about 6 foot, and probably 4.5, maybe 5 foot is the strip with lights in them. But here is my other one actually on, and so I'm going to, like I said, build 3 or 4 more of these. And I don't know exactly where in my show, and I'll upload some of my show here. So yeah, not to turn this into a layout video, but this over here is a floodlight that I'm working with. But I have these other pixel poles that are just single lines, and I do like them. They kind of do cool effects, and that's why I kind of have them slanted. I'm going to change that up. But for the ones that I just made, I don't know if I should come in here and put them or move. This is just a set for a mailbox that we do Santa Mail, and then this is another big Home Depot light bulb. But yeah, so I'm kind of deciding if I should put one here, one here, and one here. But yeah, I want to make, at least 3, maybe a total of 5. But plenty of options to add more things, of course. I'm going to move the Santa hat over to this blank space on this wall, up high or down low. And then I think this year we're gonna cover our driveway with things that can be, just slid to the side at night to pull the cars back in or out of the garage. But yeah, just let me know what you're thinking. But there's a little bit of the layout. I may put them on the right side of the driveway. I know I'm gonna space them a couple of feet apart and have them standing next to each other, like what I refer to as an equalizer bar for balance effects and things. But yeah, so for me here, it's full on any spare time. Work with pixels, work with the light show program, and get things kind of up and going for the light show. So yeah, just wanted to show off a little bit of Labor Day pixel build, something small, and several of them will be pretty effective, I believe. So yeah, well, again, it's the start of the burr months, as I put it, and it's time to get some more Christmas videos uploaded. Hopefully we'll do one a week or one every other week, but stay tuned. It's Christmas time here.